Hello everyone, how are you? Hope you are all good. Welcome to WA Reviews YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox Boya microphone, which is this one M1 model brand. This one Boya brand. This is very good, especially making for videos and recording your voice over. It will record your clear voice and remove distortion from outside. So this one very good brand, and this one very popular. Mostly all YouTubers using this Boya microphone. You can see here this one Pro Audio Series Boya by M1 for smartphone camcorder. You can use in your smartphone also and camcorder as well. DSLR all supported by this mic. Here written some features and specification. We will talk later about its specification and features. Let's open this one and check what is inside this Boya mic. This is original Boya. Its copy also available in market. You can see here scratching coating. After you scratch this one, there is one code. After you can send this code in Boya website and verify this one original or not original. This one warranty card Boya mic. It's coming with 2-year warranty. This is manual Boya manual. Here mention package contents: one M1 lavalier microphone, foam wind screen. For reduced distortion, they are providing foam wind screen, clothing clip. Also clothing clip include battery, LR44 model, carrying case, user manual. This one providing with this Boya mic. So let's open this one, the traveling pouch. You can carry anywhere with this pouch. It's coming with very long cable. This is the pouch of Boya mic. This is the lavalier microphone. Here you can see for camcorders there is option camcorder. You need to press this switch up position. For smartphone and off, you need off and smartphone position. For camcorder, this mic need a external power source, so they are providing battery with this mic. For smartphone, this one no need external power source, so you can use without battery or direct you can use in your mobile. With this one 3.5 mm jack, so direct you can use in your cell phones. Let's open this one. So this one battery LR44 for this microphone, and this one jack for amplifier. In some places using this type of pins, so you can put this 3.5 mm jack on this adapter. After you can use this adapter. So also this adapter coming with this Boya mic, one battery. This one wind foam for reducing outside noises. This one clothing clip. This one easy to clip with your clothes or anywhere. This one omnidirectional microphone. We will install this wind screen on this mic. You can see already installed this wind screen on this lavalier mic. Now this clamp, this is cloth holding clamp, like this way. This clamp you can install anywhere on your clothing or any place where you want to install. And this battery here. For smartphones, you no need to install battery because it's no need external power source. For camcorders, DSLR, you need this external battery. Like this way you need to put this battery. After battery going, you can close your cover like this. And this one camcorder, when you need camcorder, you bring this switch on camera position, and for smartphone you need to bring here on this position. Like this you can use this microphone. Let's check its built-in quality. I am shooting this video from my smartphone, so I will put this one on my smartphone. You can see very long cable with this Boya mic, so very easy to move anywhere with this cable. You no need to worry about length because they are providing too much length. Let's check this mic quality. So I will install this 3.5 mm jack to my mobile. So guys, now you are listening this voice coming from this Boya mic. So you can see the difference between previous voice quality and now this one recording through this Boya mic. So tell me in comment which one you feel better, this one or before one. This one recording through Boya M1 mic. Now I am going to remove this mic. So now I remove Boya mic. Now this voice coming through my camcorder mic. So as you can see here, mention some feature: clip on mic, smartphone, DSLR, camcorders. So this one clip on mic you can use for your smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, for audio recording, and PC. You can also use in PC for recording purpose. As I told you, it's a omnidirectional condenser microphone. Its recording quality is very good. High quality condenser is ideal for video use because they are using high condenser, so it's record very clear voice. Low handling noise, it's mean it will reduce your outside noise. Includes lapel clip, LR44 battery, foam, windscreen, and one adapter, 1/4 adapter. This one 1/4 adapter you can use for your amplifier box as well. And its specification is transducer is electric condenser, which is very good for sound recording. Polar pattern, it's omnidirectional, so you can talk in any place, it will record good quality sound. Its frequency range is 65 Hz to up to 18 kHz. Its output impedance is 1000 ohm or less. Connector 3.5 mm. You can see this one 3.5 mm connector, 4 pole with gold plating. So you can use this connector in your PC, laptops, smartphones, camcorder, DSLR, anywhere you can use this 3.5 mm connector. Battery, as I told you, LR44 model battery. Its dimension is 18 mm multiplied by 8.3. Its cable length is 6 meter. So 6 meter this cable length is enough for move anywhere. So very long cable, 6 meter cable length. This microphone weight is 2.5 gram, which is very lightweight, 2.5 gram, nothing. And this module weight is 18 gram. So 18 gram of this module, because inside have a battery also and this clip also for holding, and it's a metal, so that's why it's little bit heavier than microphone. It's 18 gram total weight. So as I told you, for verification you need to scratch this code and send it to Boya website. You can see your microphone is original or not original. Let's talk about its price. Its price just in between $15 to $20. So in $15 to $20 your video will be outstanding because it will record high quality sound. So I will give you this product link in description for AliExpress and Amazon both as well. From any platform you can buy this microphone, Boya microphone. Check in description this product link. So guys, this is the today video. Hope you like the video. Guys, if you like the video, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel, like the video, share with your friend, and keep supporting guys. Stay safe, take care, bye.